Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to replace a screen without any help. As you see, this is my laptop screen, it's broken. So first of all, you have to make sure that your laptop is switched off and unplug it from electricity, and if you can, remove the battery. Then just remove the plastic frame. I used a small slotted screwdriver. You have to do it easily. You don't want to break the teeth or the frame itself. So just start from the top and go to the sides. As you can see, there is 4 screws to hold the screen. So I used Phillips, a small Phillips screwdriver, 1 by 50 milli. So you just need to unscrew this 4 screws. Try to keep them inside, you don't want to lose them. So put it down on the keyboard and you can see there's a wire. So easily you have to remove the sticker and keep it stick to the wire. Just pull out the wire easily. So this is the broken one. And this is the new one. You have to make sure it's have the same wire entry. You just slot it inside and put the sticker on again. And before you just screw the screws again, you just want to make sure it works well. So after I make sure it works well, I place back the screws into place again. And try to place the wire in its place again. And now you can remove the protective sheet. And place back the plastic frame again. And you can start from the bottom going upward. Try to press it a little bit smooth to place the teeth in place again. And that's it. It's so easy and you can do it by yourself. You don't need anyone to help you, just yourself.